welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, and as you can see, I do my makeup to match my mask because I do wear one for things other than filming videos in your own house. I recommend you do too. One thing great about masks is you don't have to do your lipstick or anything like that. You can pretty much just do this part of your face if you're wearing it all the time. As you can see, I don't wear lipstick under my mask because what's the point? Fine, I haven't had a problem with my makeup getting all over my mask. This is the setting spray I'm using. It's the Tarte Miracle Mist. It is pretty freaking miraculous. I have asthma, which makes me more at risk for COVID-19, and I see all these people saying, I don't want to wear a mask because I have an illness or I have some problem that makes it so I can't wear a mask. Okay, as somebody who actually has a very serious autoimmune disease, see my finger right here? I have to go to the doctor today and they have to literally go in there and drain now that pus out because I've been on 2 antibiotics, and even with the antibiotics I don't heal correctly. Now you can imagine what would happen if I got COVID-19 and there wasn't currently a medication available. It just kind of irks me when I see comments like that on Facebook because I'm that person. I'm the person who doesn't go anywhere. The only places I go really are the doctor's office and to pick up my medical baskets every 2 weeks. That's it. Other than that, I've been to Costco one time. That's it. That's all I've done because I am at risk. I don't want to die. So the best way for me to not die is to just avoid anything with people. And if I am out, I absolutely wear a mask, which is required by my doctor's office and my hospital. It's right on the door in big letters. I saw a comment about it and I was just like, what? That makes no sense. You have a respiratory illness, so you don't want to wear a mask during a time when respiratory illnesses are killing people who have, yeah, it just makes no sense to me. On the lighter side, today I have a FabFitFun box. Yay! I don't always love FabFitFun. I only buy FabFitFun maybe once a year. They do only come out quarterly, so really I buy it 1/3 of the time. A lot of times I skip it when it has items in it and I just have no interest in. But this month, or this season, oh my gosh, so I'm really excited about this and I have no idea for sure what's in part of it because I ordered it late. Obviously everybody else's videos are probably up. But let's check out what's in this cute little butterfly box that matches my freaking room. So the first thing in here is their magazine. This comes in every single box. It does have some cool articles in it. I've went through it a few times. Mostly it just tells you everything that's in your box and about them, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you get a magazine. Next, I have a Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. This works from This Works. This one smells very strongly of lavender, and I love lavender, so this is really nice. I'll definitely use it because I love lotion. So now we have the Maughan Resurgence Rapid Collagen Infusion. It looks like that. It comes in a bottle like this. I like Maughan a lot. It's a very nice brand. It is really expensive. Next, I have a great big hairbrush. This is by Area Luxe Chrome Detangling Brush. I love me a big detangling brush. It's nice, but it's not in any way, shape, or form going to replace my wet brushes, which are my favorite. If you have long hair, please get a wet brush. It will change your life. Literally, it will. They're amazing. Even my husband and kids who have very short hair and always used to use combs now use wet brush because it's amazing. Seriously, it's amazing. Next I have, this is the first thing I won't use. These are silicone straws. I drink almost everything out of this. I don't use many straws at all. Even in restaurants, I pour my drinks into something like this. Cute idea, great for saving the environment. I don't have anything against it, it's just not for me. And we have this little teeny tiny thing by Winky Lux, and it must be one of their lipsticks or lip glosses. Oh, that's cute, it's a rainbow thing. So that just gives you a nice flush of color, and that's it. It's very natural looking. I really like that, and I love this packaging. It is going in my purse. Next, we have the expensive Ammonia Oil High Shine Top Coat. This is for your hair by IGK. You use it while you're in the shower. It is a conditioner. I definitely will use that. As I said, when I saw the stuff for this month's box, I was just like, okay, I have to get this box because I will actually use this box. Like, almost everything I could possibly get in it. I will use or somebody I know will use. And that, my dears, is why I love subscription boxes, is when I get things I will use. I don't like it when I get a bunch of crap that I will never use. This is by Glow. Oh, this is the item that I picked out because I had a $10 credit. So I ended up paying $5 for it. Comes with a bunch of batteries. This is a light treatment for anti-aging on your face. It is just light. This one shows it being in red. I've heard some great things about the clinical ones of these. I don't know if this little hand-sized one will do anything, but I do know that the ones in like actual cosmetology offices do. So I'm gonna give it a try because hey, it was $5. Okay, now I have a gravity weighted sleep mask. I tell you, this is not something I will wear. My husband will love this. This is the type of thing that he's all about. It weighs probably 5 pounds, maybe 3 pounds. Feels like it weighs a lot. He finds it very soothing to have it. It's definitely gonna block out of the light because it's very, very thick and very heavy. It feels like one of those weight things that you do put on your wrists or your arms. When I first picked it up, I was like, what? But yeah, it's the weighted gravity sleep mask. It does have this very nice Velcro strap that is very, very strong. Okay, I'm not doing that. I'm scared that this will actually mess up my makeup because it is heavy. The last thing in here, I already took the plastic off it because you couldn't see what it was, so I edited that out. This is the Donnie, the big one, because I didn't know what their sizes were gonna be like, and apparently I could have went definitely smaller and been okay because this is super freaking huge. What I'm going to use it for is a robe, just like that. But I believe this is supposed to be like a hip-length sweater. It does have pockets, which are nice. And the material is that my favorite material for like bathrobes and stuff. I like the waffle type materials for that. And this is a very thin version. Super excited about this. This was the only choice that I picked. Everything I got, I'm really happy with. The only thing out of here that I won't use are these straws. So this does give you prices of everything that comes in the bag. This sweater is $99. The light therapy wand, keeping in mind I did pay for this myself, is $68, so it was $15. But as I said, I have a $10 credit. Detangling Brush says it's $35. That is crazy money for that. Don't do that. Go get a wet brush. Way cheaper. The weighted sleep mask is $29.99 as well. The Murad is $78. Like I said, crazy freaking expensive. The Winky Lux lip balm is $18. The sleep cream is $40. Wow, that's crazy expensive. So the straws were $15, which that's pretty reasonable. So I don't see this in here. I'll put a price below. So that makes the value of this $49.99 box that I did pay a little extra for this item, $350 I think, approximately. I'll put an actual price below because my math is not great. I'm okay, like averages, I think that's probably close to an average because I'm usually pretty good at those. Let me know if you're getting FabFitFun or want to. Do you get FabFitFun? Is it worth it for you? Because like I said, I only get it every now and then when I see a lot of things that I'm just like, okay, all those things I'll use. You do get to see what they're sending, quite a lot of it, but you don't see all of it, which is fine. And this is the best quarantine box ever. A sleep mask, some calming stuff, an anti-wrinkle thing, some conditioner for my hair, collagen to make my skin look amazing when it's all over with, a really nice lip balm, like this awesome bathrobe. Best quarantine box ever! Way to go, FabFitFun! You're the only ones who nailed this. So that's kind of funny. Oh, and don't forget the hairbrush. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and my unboxing of FabFitFun. Please have a great day and let me know what you're doing and enjoying while we're all stuck in lockdown. I suspect that we're all going to be in semi-quarantine for a while. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!